Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing for you. It looks like this. And it's from 9 of Earth, and this is for August. So we're going to get right into it. Ooh, Sacred Symbols and Talismans is our theme. Alright, so right on top we have incense. I'm not even going to butcher that name. Then we have, we have 2 green chimes with a clover on it. We have this black velvety sachet. And in here we have, oh, this is different. A horseshoe in gold with different talismans on it. I see keys, different gemstones, flowers. It's nice to hang somewhere. Different. Cool. Waterproof vinyl sticker. Ooh. A cool little Palo Santo stick with wood-burned symbols. We have a big Evil Eye bath bomb by Crescent City Swoon. It's big too. And it smells delicious. Alright, we have, this is a lot of the stuff I have in my store. I carry this company. I carry this. This is cute. Little Blessed Bee. It is a little, like, token that you can carry around. And it comes with a cute little bag. And mine is a pentacle for protection. We have the deck. The Talisman Oracle. Pretty cool looking. Did I get this in another box? I think I might have. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I might have got this in the Midnight Muses or Sugar Muses. And then we have, I have this too. This is cute. I have these as well as in the store. They're all little different cards. And you can scratch off and see what you get. They're pretty fun and cool. And the last item is this black box. Ooh. A gold eye pendant with green stone in the middle. I mean, overall, this is a nice box. They always do nice boxes. You get a lot of goodies. Alright, let's just see what this is about. Okay. The Talisman Oracle and Guidebook by Nora Pascaleva, $23.95. Blessed Bee Lucky Charm, $6.99. The Evil Eye Talisman Necklace is $24.99. It is brass and cubic zirconian pendant, and it is over stainless steel chain, so it will last a long time. Stainless steel is great. Obsidian Crystal Evil Eye. Ah, didn't even notice that. There's an obsidian in there. Bath Bomb, $12. The Horseshoe Hanging Talisman is $15. Incense is $2.99. The chimes are $2.99. The sacred geometry. This is it. Now, this is the scratch off card by Cosmic Butcher. Cosmic Guidance is $3. The hand sticker. Oh, and this. This is $4.50. The Palo Santo stick. Holy wood. So let me know, guys, what you think of August's box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave all the information down below. Have a great day.